the top 5 reasons why you should hire a private paid criminal defense attorney instead of using the public defender. So the number one reason why you should hire a private criminal defense attorney instead of the public defender is we're able to help on pre-arrest investigation processes, bond and first appearance processes, and the pre-filing period, which is when the state attorneys are deciding what charges to bring. So I'm going to go in depth in all 3 of these, and these are all part of the first main reason. So let's talk about it. Well, first of all, you're not entitled to a public defender while you're being investigated for a crime. Now, there's certain crimes like DUI and most drug crimes where the police catch somebody in the act and an arrest is made immediately. So there really is no investigation stage in that. It's all kind of bang, bang, and it happens. But in a lot of other crimes, it could be serious crimes, murder, robbery, burglary, serious drug crimes, even domestic violence we see a lot of, where the police come to the scene or they're investigating and the client is not there. The person that they want to arrest is not there on scene. Or if it could be even a complex fraud or theft investigation, and those can take 6 months to a year. Now, in those circumstances, a lot of times we're bringing forth evidence. We may have witnesses that saw what happened that completely contradict what these alleged victims say. We may have video surveillance or certain other things that we have at our disposal. We can send out our private investigators to do our own investigation. And a lot of times in these cases, we'll speak with the detectives or the police officers right away, and we'll bring forth this evidence. And we've had many scenarios where we've been able to convince the police officers that the truth is on our side and that they should never arrest our client. And our client's never arrested. There's no mugshot. There's no bond. There's no court. There's no nothing. And those are always the best cases because those are the ones that nobody ever knows about. Right? So that right there is huge. It's critical that you hire a criminal defense attorney immediately. Another part of that is in Florida, the 911 call recordings are only available for 30 days. And we've had cases as serious as attempted murder dismissed completely because we pulled the 911 recordings when maybe the prosecutors were not going to, the police officers were not going to. And by the time you get to see a public defender, it could be well past that 30-day period before they